Hi, good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Okay, so kindly share the screen and show me the problem. What you face, please.
Okay, let me share my screen.
Okay.
Are you able to see it?
Yes, I can see now. Yeah.
Okay, so I was here, but now when I click on the first option,
Yeah.
let me just click on it. This is what it tells me. So I'm not getting to the
So you can see the get started non-commercial use. You can see the get started. Click on the get started. Below, not here. Just yeah, this one. You can see the get started. See if you are eligible. You can see if you are eligible for non-commercial use. Then you can see the get started. Yeah,
Okay.
get started. Yeah.
Okay.
So now simply choose your organization. Simply click on here. You can see fill up all of information. So you can see it's a academia or research or non-profit. You can put anything, no problem. But try to use the academia. It will be more better.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
This one.
Yeah, no problem. Okay, then click on the next. So what's the name of your academy institution? Just put the name.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then click on the no. Then go to the bill and simply check the scientific research. Okay. So now what is your research question? You can put any research question, suppose identify land use, land cover, or air quality, anything. You can simply put, no problem. Yeah. So now suppose select the global.
I can say regional.
Oh, no
Or
problem.
I say global.
Global is better. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Or no, you can put the no. Then we need to put on it. Yeah. Just check eligibility. Click on here. Yeah. Then next.
Okay.
Next. You can put protection, no problem. Yeah. Or all of, no problem.
Okay.
Simply choose some sector, suppose agriculture, air quality, or architecture.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then next, and now go to the below and register.
Mm-hmm.
So you are now registered for the non-commercial. Continue. Okay, welcome to Art Engine. So now, okay, just go to the below and find out the code editor. Or you can simply just reopen the code.artengine.google.com. Just open a new tab and go to the link for code editor link. Yes, yes. So now enter.
Coming back.
So I am okay. So it show the Earth Engine. Okay. For existing cloud project, click on here
Okay.
and choose the project. Which project name you put in here?
Maybe I can choose default.
Then select. Yeah. It's a unregistered project. So now put the same way for configuration. Basically, just ask some question. Okay, you can see the manage registration. Click on the manage registration. Second option, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now update the answer. You can see the update answer here. So now put all of information again for this project. Okay, suppose your institution type, then put all of information, then continue. Yeah. Next. Next. Now go to the below. Then register. Okay, so now continue. Okay. So now your registration is okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now
So I
just,
can.
yeah, so your project, okay, just
Mm-hmm.
open the code editor again and then check. Yeah, so it's okay. Yeah,
Thank
so
you.
this is the project name. You can see this is the project name at the right side top. Okay, Imperial Data 386419. So this is the full is the project name. So this project name you can simply
Oh,
use in the Python when you work with the Python API for create the
mm-hmm.
environment. Just try to use the project equal this name, full name. Just write, then it will work. Mhm. Mainly in the Python environment when you work for the Python. Okay, then try to use this project name. Okay, after in the Python. Okay, in the Python environment. Okay, I hope now it will be okay. You try to use and further face any problem, then inform me. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
So that's okay.
Okay. Okay. Bye.
Okay. Okay. Bye.